Hey guys, here I am at Zippos Circus. Just seeing the first half of the show. Guys, what did you guys think?
Good.
Jordan, what did you think of the first half? It's a pretty good show so far. We've had a giggle, haven't we? The clowns and some of the stunts what they've done was pretty awesome. We've got more stuff. We've got the bikers and the ball coming up soon, which is going to be amazing. I will try and film that because that's the main thing, probably. So, you guys, so you're looking forward to the rest of the show?
Yep.
See you after. I'll try and film some. See you guys. One more. God, this is good. I love stuff like this. I've only seen it on telly, stuff like this.
I've never seen it.
Not live, no. How close he is to his head. Real life. There's no petrol on that.
Please give the big round of applause at the front of the house now. Nicholas Sinclair, Dr. Spotlights, Electrical Ranger, Computer Operator, Harrier, Dr. Provide Science. Put your hands together and welcome back all extremely talented artists. Maestro, thank you. From the Ukraine.
They're really not bad. They're just the people on bike.
Very important. I'm going to give you the show. Your applause for the ring crew. Hey! Thanks for coming around. Thanks, ladies, and very nice. And just remember, you're never too old, you're never too young, you're never too cool to go to a circus. And I see all artists back out with the ring. Goodbye, God bless you all. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye, everybody.
That was really good, guys. Right, guys, what did you think?
Good.
Yeah, reactions? Yeah. Good. Good. Amazing. Seriously, if you've not seen it and you're in England to watch it, go see Zippos Circus. Go see it. Zippos Circus. Check them out on Facebook and YouTube. I'll send all their things below. See you guys.